Just like a house needs good plumbing to flow smoothly, our minds need effective communication skills so we can express our emotions and our thoughts respectfully and clearly. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello, my name is Danoue Goueth. I am a confidence and mindset coach. I am a mom, a wife, and a former stay-at-home mom. My mission as a coach is to empower women over 40 to build unshakable confidence, overcome limiting beliefs with ease, and achieve extraordinary success so they can live the life of their dreams. Welcome to the Mind Renovation series, episode 6. This episode is called Plumbing. And today we are going to talk about communication skills. If you find this topic interesting, then keep on watching. When we struggle to communicate, our relationships and our well being will suffer from it. Imagine you're living in a home where nothing is working properly. Your pipes are leaking, your drains are clogged, and your fixtures are faulty. It's just a mess, right? So, this is the same thing for us. Communication is key. Just like a house needs good plumbing to flow smoothly, our minds need effective communication skills so we can express our emotions and our thoughts respectfully and clearly. Good communication is like a well functioning plumbing system. It requires different elements like speaking, listening, understanding, working together to create a smooth flow of information and build a strong connection between us. Let me give you a real life example so you can understand better. Imagine you want to renovate your kitchen. In your mind, you have a clear vision of what you want the kitchen to look like after the renovation, right? And you're thinking that you also want to remove the sink, because you don't like it where it is, and you would like to, you know, remove it and put it somewhere else, right? In your mind, you're thinking about all of that. But you call the contractor and you told him that I want my kitchen to be renovated. I don't have time to come and check out all the time, but go ahead. I trust you. Do the work. The contractor will go with what he knows and then renovate the kitchen for you. And at the end of the work, when you come to check out, you will realize that, this is not where I wanted the sink to be. But you had the vision in your mind, but you didn't express it. You didn't communicate. So how in the world would the contractor know what your vision was, right? So that's the thing. Communication is key. You always need, or you always want to communicate whatever you're thinking so the other person can understand. Unfortunately, poor communication can lead to misunderstandings, conflict. It can prevent you from expressing your feelings and your emotions. It can also lead you to missing on great opportunities. Just like a plumber can fix a leaky pipe and installs new fixtures, we can also develop our communication skills. And when we do so, we will be able to clarify our thoughts and feelings better. We will be able to express ourselves perfectly and respectfully. And we will also be able to build strong relationships and connections. All right, beautifuls, if you've been watching my videos for quite some time, you know by now that I like to pause and take a moment to acknowledge you by asking you some questions. My questions for you today are: what is the biggest obstacle that you are experiencing right now because of poor communication skills? How do you plan to overcome it? Or are you ready to take action? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you. I am also taking this moment to invite you to like, subscribe, and share my videos with anyone you think might benefit from them. Thank you in advance for the support. Before we conclude this video today, I want to remind you that you are watching the Mind Renovation series, episode 6. And today, we talk about communication skills. I am also going to give you some essential tools for effective communication. So, the first one is active listening. You need to be able to listen actively, be a good listener. We also have clear and concise language. So when you are communicating your needs, be clear and concise so people can really understand what you really want or what you are expecting from them. What are your expectations? And we also have empathy. And lastly, we have understanding. So, by installing the right plumbing in our mind, we can create a smooth flow of communication connecting us with others and ourselves on a deeper level. Thank you so much for watching this video today. As usual, it was a pleasure recording it for you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos with friends and family. Oh, don't go yet. If you're looking for a coach to help you cope with all the challenges that you are experiencing in your life right now, click the link down below to book a free assessment call with me. From there, we will determine if we are a good fit for each other or if I am the good coach for you. If you like jewelry just like I do, click the link of my boutique down below to shop around. I am sure that you will find something that fits your needs. And I also want to remind you that we don't only sell jewelry, we have a little bit of everything in there. But if you are a Poshmark buyer and you prefer to shop there, that's fine. Click the Poshmark link down below to join me there. And remember, effective communication is like good plumbing. It keeps our minds and relationships flowing smoothly. This is Danoue Goueth, always empowering you to unleash your inner sparkle. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.